Thinking of running a radio ad in Nigeria but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Whether you're a business owner, NGO or global brand, radio is still one of the most powerful ways to reach Nigerians across cities like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt and more. In this video, I'll show you, step by step, how to place a radio ad in Nigeria even if you've never been there before. Let's dive in. Step 1. Know your audience. Before you do anything else, ask yourself, who are you trying to reach? Are they students, professionals, market traders? Do they speak English, Pidgin, Hausa, Yoruba or Igbo? Are they based in Lagos or a smaller city like Kwara? Knowing this helps you pick the right station, the right time and the right message. Step 2. Choose the right radio station. Nigeria has over 100 radio stations. Each one speaks to a different audience. For example, Cool FM reaches urban youth in English. Wazobia FM speaks Pidgin and is fun and relatable. Fresh FM is great for Yoruba-speaking regions. Not sure which to pick? Visit Blastily.com for a full list of stations and their audience profiles. Step 3. Decide your budget. Radio ad prices in Nigeria depend on the city you want to target, the radio station, the time slot, like morning drive time or late night, and how often your ad will air. Don't guess. Use Blastily.com to see real prices from real stations. That way, you know exactly what to expect. Step 4. Write your ad script. Your script should be clear, catchy, and to the point. Most ads run for 30 to 60 seconds. And remember, it must follow Nigerian media rules from APCON and NBC. Need help? Blastily can help write and review your script too. Step 5. Record your audio. You can use your own voice or hire a Nigerian voiceover artist. Add music or a jingle to make it more memorable. And yes, Blastily can help you sort this out, from voiceovers to background sound. Step 6. Book the airtime. You don't need to call every station or email back and forth. Just head to Blastily.com, compare options and book your radio ad in minutes. Easy, fast, reliable. Step 7. Go live and track results. When your ad goes live, listen in or track feedback. See if people are responding. And that's it. Here's how to place a radio ad in Nigeria, step by step. Know your audience. Choose a station. Set your budget. Write and record your ad. Book your slot. Track and improve. Want help placing your ad today? Visit www.blastily.com to browse over 100 media listings, compare prices, and get expert support. Questions? Reach out at hello@blastily.com. Let's make your message heard across Nigeria. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if this video helped. Thanks for watching and good luck with your campaign.